Hi, I'm Cliff, and this is my garage. And today I screwed up on my Cayman's wheels. I think you'll want to screw up too. Hey, welcome back to the garage. And if this is your first time joining me, thanks for dropping by. So, this is my 2006 Porsche Cayman S, and today I gave it a bath. And I brought it in here to the garage, got it all dried off, and I'm lucky I had this car lift, so I can pick it up, and that's how I can clean the wheels. I got it up here, and like I usually do, I sprayed it down with some tire dressing. In this case, I was using Turtle Wax Wet and Black Ultra Wet Tire Shine. So I squirted it on the tires, all four of them, let them set, went back, kind of buffed them off, and then I went about cleaning the wheels themselves. And so I'm using, my what I think is my normal all-purpose cleaner, and I'm thinking, wow, this is working really, really good. My wheels look really nice. And then I noticed that where some of it had pooled up in the wheel nuts here, it was kind of a milky white color. And I realized I hadn't grabbed my all-purpose cleaner. I had grabbed the tire dressing and used it to clean the wheels. Well, let me tell you, it's great. It works really, really well. It cleans it beautifully, takes off all the brake dust. Maybe this stuff is designed to remove brake dust. Well, I don't know, because it's designed for the tires. Regardless, the brake dust all came off. It's nice and shiny. It's not like slick or oily or anything. These things look fantastic. So this was just a quick video letting you know that my screw up paid off big dividends for me. I love this. Again, this is Turtle. You know what? I'll just give you a link down below the video. You can get some and try it yourself. Give it a shot. Let me know how it works for you. I'd love to see if it works for other people's tires, or excuse me, for other people's wheels. As always, go down there, find that thumbs up button, give us a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and when you subscribe, make sure you click on that little bell icon. That way YouTube will let you know every time that I post new content from here in Cliff's Garage, including my screw-ups. I'll see you next time.